today I'm checking out this mini handheld turbo fan. I'm excited about this. Check this out. Comes with a little bag, an instruction manual, several cleaning tools, some different nozzles to use with it. Of course, the charging cable, and then we have the fan itself. To turn it on, you just press and hold this button here, and the lights will come on and show you what you got. Then to get the air going, you just slide that little slider, fire to mount. Ooh. So this thing really does put out a lot of air. Check it out. You can use it for doing keyboards. That's awesome for that, especially in here, because that's my workshop keyboard, or that's my workshop laptop, and so it definitely helps with that. Also though, I can blow dust around my workshop with it. Yeah, I'm not sure if you can see how much dust is on the floor, but there's a decent amount of sawdust. You can definitely see it moving. This thing's real handy for blowing off my work surfaces around my CNCs and on my work tables where I've been working. I will be using this a lot, and it will be kept handy close to where I'm at to be able to get sawdust and chips out of my way when I need them.